Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good.
Now, can you please tell me about your last job?
I have for experience for local family.
And what were your duties and responsibilities out there?
All around,
So, what,
um, cooking, cleaning the house, and especially taking care of baby
how many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
and husband and wife.
Kids?
Yes.
How many kids?
Four. The older one is 20-year old, 15, 10-year old, and 5-year old.
Mhm. Okay. And by the way, why you decided not to renew your contract anymore with them?
Because before I think I want to try and to work outside, but now I realize it's better to work in the house
Mm-hmm.
than outside.
Okay, that's great. So, since you're looking for a new job, you're back here. How much would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
2000.
Okay, and by the way, what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting? What do you like to do most?
I think it's better babysitting.
Okay, so what type of food can you cook?
Before, of course, our food, Filipino food. Before I'm cooking of Arabic food, Indian food.
So, now, how do you know if the baby is sick? How can you tell if he or she is sick?
It's like every time crying, and she's a little hot like that. She's not in a good mood.
All right. How do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Mostly, sometimes I play with them to feed them like that,
Okay. And what is your hobby?
singing music.
You love music. Okay.
Yeah,
How long do you want to work here in UAE?
yeah, 4 years straight, mom.
And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer? And
Yes,
why?
because I'm very understanding and also kind, actually funny and thoughtful.
All right. Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.